Lakha Sirkep Amreng constituency Socheng education block ke parlo jirikindeng pen kilometer kep an kahelo Mokhim LP school Ahem kahing thek ajok assistant headmaster la pen lo than rapet Thangbang atung Karbiang Autonomous Council CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang la pen education EM Richard Tokbi atoma phan prabjin pen school Ahem nang pivek thapusika tuningri padopon Lason si Thangbang ahin pen nang pachini dona tengki labang so school ke non head pen a school kalilo kidam tang pharokre sirkebra trokebra hini aning kan pen anlo labang so a school ahem ban piklo apotsi lasi school ahem kimi nang kimpi vek tha athe labang so school along ki chalia somata dopik bang trok sikep ando bonta classroom ka ve pen apot osomaratum adu dopik pik usi nang pachini don
তো আমাৰ কণ্ডিশ্যন স্কুল অলপ আমি দিছোঁ মেমৰেণ্ডম আমাৰ ডিএমচি ছাৰো একদিনাখন আহিছিলে তেওঁ স্কুলৰ কণ্ডিশ্যনটো চাইছে আৰু গোটেইখিনি চাই পেলাই তেওঁ কৈছে যে লিখি পেলাই লৈ গৈছে যে বনাম বুলি কৈছে আমালোকক তো আমি আশা কৰিছোঁ আমাৰ স্কুলৰ কণ্ডিশ্যনটো ভাল হৈ যাব আৰু ইমানে আৰু কি আৰু খুদিলে কিবা খুদক ছাৰ আপোনালোকে
এনৰোলমেণ্ট মতেতো ইয়াতে 60-70 আছে আৰু সপ্তাহত কিমান দিয়ে মিড ডে
মিলটো সপ্তাহত এইটো মাজত সময়ত চাউলটো শেষ হৈ গৈছে চাউল নাছিলে 2-3 মাহটো দিয়া নাছিলোঁ কিন্তু এতিয়াতো আমি সপ্তাহত যেতিয়া স্কুল লাগে আজিতো মানে হেৰি নাই কিন্তু সপ্তাহ 2-3 দিনমান আমি দি থাকোঁ
Last year our DMC also have visited DMC and ADPO have visited. During their visit I have already spoken about this building actually it is since 1962 so it became very old and due to that all the windows and the doors are also broken and it is very difficult for the students especially during the windy time and during the rainy season the rainwater and the cold wind enter inside the class so it become a lot of difficulty here and during their visit I have requested them to provide from the departmental side replacement of this building. They have proposed me for the major repairing and if not the minor repairing, the major repairing, 2 options they have given to me and I have rejected that because according to what you also have seen the condition it is not good for the major or repairing option. So the building has to be replaced. The newly we have to get the building. That is our expectation. My headmaster today though he is not here, but the same words he has said to me.
Jirikindeng pen Samsung Inti Karbing Long Life.